Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
In this video, I will show you how to make pasta and sauce. First, let's prepare the fresh pasta dough. Combine 2 cups of all-purpose flour with 3 large eggs and a pinch of salt in a bowl. Mix until a shaggy dough forms, then turn it out onto a clean surface. Knead the dough for 8 to 10 minutes until it becomes smooth and elastic. Cover it and let it rest for 30 minutes. Now that your dough has rested, it's time to shape it. Divide the dough into smaller, manageable portions. Using a pasta machine, roll each piece thinner and thinner, aiming for a thickness of about 1/16 of an inch. Then, cut the sheets into your preferred pasta shapes, like fettuccine or spaghetti. Lightly dust the fresh pasta with semolina flour to keep it from sticking together. While your pasta dries slightly, let's create a delicious, simple tomato sauce. In a saucepan, sauté 2 cloves of minced garlic and about 1/4 of a cup of chopped onion until softened. Pour in a 28-ounce can of crushed tomatoes. Bring it to a gentle simmer and let it cook for about 20 minutes, allowing the flavors to meld. Season with salt, pepper, and fresh basil. Finally, it's time to bring everything together. Bring a large pot of salted water to a rolling boil. Carefully add your fresh pasta and cook for just 2 to 3 minutes, or until it's perfectly al dente. Drain the pasta, reserving a little pasta water, and immediately toss it with your warm tomato sauce. Serve hot, garnished with grated Parmesan cheese and a drizzle of good olive oil.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.